So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete a page in your design here on Canva using the desktop version. So for this demonstration, I'll just make the first page right here. I'll make it the color. What's a good example? Make it the color purple. I'll add a second page here at the bottom. I'll make this one the color blue. And I'll add a third one and I'll make this one the color red. So this is my masterpiece right here, 3 pages. Now, if you wanted to delete a page here, the simplest way to do it is to go to the bottom here, press on your pages just like this. If you wanted to delete the purple page right here, press on the purple page, go to your keyboard, press on delete. Now the page is deleted. Now, another way you can do it if your delete button for whatever reason doesn't work or whatever the case may be, go down to the exact same thing here. So go down to the bottom here, press on your pages. Now in the top right of the little page here, so on the red page, I press on these 3 little dots. You can go to the top right here, press on delete page just like this, and now the page will also be deleted. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to delete a page here on Canva using the desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.